Hello everyone, today we're gonna make the air conditioning dark like this. Okay, let's get started. Sketch at this plane to profile and this curve. Okay, this curve is a 3 inch and wait, this point and this point coordinate. Oh wait, sorry. This point and this point coordinate. This point and this point too coordinate in the vertical. And then the bit dimension. This point to this point is a 10. And this point to this point is a 8.0. Okay, and surface tube outside is 4, inside is 3. Okay, and use the pen. Twice pen is a 10. Apply and 18. Apply and 03. Apply. Okay, and sketch on this plane. Okay. Uh, 3. Circle 3. Finish sketch. Sketch again. Circle 4. 4 inch. And this pen circle 5. Circle the pen. Okay, circle 6. Sketch and surface two curve. This curve and you set this curve. Okay, and extrude extrude it subtract 75 curve. This curve extrude and subtract select body. This body. Okay, draft is from start to limit 8 degree and okay. Now alright, and sketch at this plane. Okay, rectangle with 10 and 10. Okay, and this 5 and this 5 2. Okay, finish sketch and sketch on this plane. Okay, double right, this line, and this line, this line. Finish sketch and sketch. Okay, use arc from this point to this point. Finish sketch, sketch this plane again. This use arc, this this line to this point are tangent. Sketch and just curve line from this point to this point. Apply. Sorry. Hide it away now. Okay, and this point to this point. Apply and this point to this point. Okay, apply. Okay, and use surface to curve. No, surface to curve. Select curve. Sorry. Just a single curve. This curve. And you set this curve. Okay, and again to curve. Second curve. Okay, this curve. And you set this curve. Okay, and use a Miller feature. MIROR. This Miller feature. Okay, select this feature and this plane. Apply and select this feature and this plane. Apply. Okay, and not finished yet. This plane at angle value is minus 45. Select planar object and select linear object. Apply and select planar object and select this is the 45. Again, apply. Okay, and sketch at this plane. Use a arc. Radius is I will get radius to get the back. Okay, and from this plane, from this is a 4.5 inch. Okay, finish sketch and sketch this plane again. There's a half of curve. Wait, tangent, please. Okay, finish sketch and see at this plane. Okay. This point to this point. Okay, and the dimension this point to this point is a 4.5. Finish sketch and same sketch. Okay, it's this point to this point. Tangent. Finish sketch. Hide it. Just hide and this high. Okay, and to curve. This point and this point. Oh, sorry. This point. Oh, no. Second curve. single curve. Okay, this point and this point. Okay, and some sketch on the plane. Yes. Okay. Again. Oh, sorry. Use this. Show it back. And for this, tangent, tangent. Okay. Sketch and surface to curve again. Oh, wait. Just close it. Oh, sorry. Just hide it. Surface to curve. Single curve. Okay. Select this curve. Wait. I need oh, alright. Sorry. Okay. To curve. This curve. Add new set. This curve. Okay. And mirror feature again. Okay. Select feature. This feature. And this plane. Okay. Apply. And select feature. This feature on the this plane. Oh no. Sorry. This feature on this plane. Sorry. Oh, make it easy. Surface to curve. Oh, sorry. Make it easy. Surface to curve. This curve. Add new set. This curve. Oh, sorry. It's useless. Mirror. This feature and this plane. Maybe it's gonna help. Why not? This plane and this plane. Oh, this plane and this feature. Hey, this plane and this plane. No, this plane and this plane. This plane and this plane. Just trying. I'm trying. Why? Okay, I will fake it. Hide away. Okay. No matter what, I can pass it. 1 minute left. Okay. Sketch and surface to curve. This curve. Add new set. Sorry. This curve. Add new set. This curve. Okay. Okay. Success. Thanks for watching. Our air conditioning dark. Thanks for watching. Okay.